in 2017. Government have approved this scheme, and one important point regarding this scheme is that, okay, it's a central sector scheme. Okay, so when you prepare about a scheme, especially about the latest scheme, you need to have an idea about whether it is a centrally sponsored scheme or central sector scheme. So it is a central sector scheme. So since it is a central sector scheme, 100% of the financial allocation will be done by the central government. State government, if it is there, they have to only implement it. No financial commitment is required. Everything will be, full funding will be done by the central government. So it's a new central sector scheme. See, earlier this scheme was called by the name Sampada scheme, but later on it was within few months it was renamed as Pradhana Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, or Sampada scheme or Pradhana Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, both are same. And this scheme is called as, in English it is called as scheme for. So you from here you will get an idea what is this scheme is all about. Scheme for agro marine processing. So this is basically a scheme for agro marine processing, agro processing as well as marine processing. So both agro product, agricultural product and marine product will be processed. So food processing, this scheme is about food processing and development of agro processing clusters. So this scheme have two main, see from the term itself you can get an idea. So this scheme is all about food processing, that is agro marine processing, as well as development of agro processing clusters, means areas where agro processing can be done. So the government have allocated, this is a very important fact, the government have allocated 6,000 crore. So this 6,000 crore will be given to the states by the center during the period 2016-20, co-terminus with the 14th Finance Commission cycle. Okay, see, among all the government schemes which have come across, only in this scheme only this word have been used, that this scheme is co-terminus with the 14th Finance Commission cycle. So this is a very important point to be noted down. Prime Minister Pradhana Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is for a 5-year and 6,000 crore have been allocated, central sector scheme, and it is co-terminus with the 14th Finance Commission cycle, that is from 16 to 20. And very important, since it is a scheme of food processing, the Ministry of Food Processing is implementing this scheme. Ministry of Food Processing is implementing the scheme, not the Ministry of Agriculture. Now, see, it's a Sampada Yojana is a mega scheme. Okay, it consists of many schemes like mega food parks. Those who have not watched it, watch that video or revise it. Okay, then it will be integrated cold chain and value addition infrastructure will be there under the scheme. Then creation or expansion of food processing and preservation capacities. Food processing and preservation capacities. So basically it is cold storage, we discussed cold storage and preserving capacities, because there is a lot of wastage in relation to agro products, mainly horticultural products, so that can be prevented. Infrastructure for agro processing clusters, which is one of the important objective of this scheme, and creation of backward and forward linkages. It means that backward and forward linkages means, see, especially this agro processing industry, it's in between, like what you can say, that industry and agriculture. The raw materials they will be taking from agriculture. So it is having a backward linkage. So it will promote agriculture. Forward linkage, it will be helping creating employment opportunities, development in the rural area, like that. Okay, so it is having a creation of, means both this agro processing industry will be linked both to the backward side, back end, as well as to the front end, that is to the agriculture industry, even to service. All the direct forward linkages means who can purchase it, and especially regarding the supply chain management. So that's regarding backward and forward linkages. Then food safety and quality assurance infrastructure is being implemented under its food safety and quality assurance infrastructure, which is very important, especially for export of this processed food. Then human resources and institution. Now this can be potential question. See, under the PM Kisan Sampada Yojana, which of the following schemes are being implemented? So you should know what all schemes are being implemented under the PM Kisan Sampada Yojana. Most important you need to note down is that mega food parks is now being implemented under this scheme. It's a sub part of this scheme. Now, so the objective of this scheme is, that is Kisan Sampada Yojana is to supplement agriculture, to modernize processing, mainly food processing, that is agro processing and marine processing, as well as decrease agri wastage, mainly horticultural wastage, that is fruits and vegetables. Now, we know that 6,000 crore have been allocated to this scheme. So, it is expected that it will leverage an investment of 31,400 crore for handling around 334 lakh metric ton or agro products valued at approximately 1 lakh 4,000 crore, benefiting 20 lakh farmers and generating 5.30, that is 5.3 lakh direct and indirect employment in the country by the year 2019, that is by 2020, by March 31st, 2020, that is the ending period of 14th Finance Commission. Now, what is the impact of this scheme? So, the impact of this scheme is that what will be the impact the scheme will have? The implementation of the scheme will result in creation of modern infrastructure. This will result in creation of modern infrastructure with efficient supply chain management from the farm gate to the retail outlet. Then it will provide a big boost to the food processing industry. It will help in providing better prices for farmers, and that will help in the government's goal of doubling farmers' income. It will create huge employment opportunities. We have seen that somewhere around 5 lakh direct and indirect employment. It will also help in reducing wastage of agricultural produce. See, with cold stage facilities, with higher processing and preserving capacities, it will result in reducing wastage of agricultural produce. It will increase the processing level. It will ensure safe and convenient processed food at affordable price to consumers, and it will also enhance the export of these processed foods. So, these are its impact, which is the scheme is not only important for your prelims, it is important for your mains also, because there is in economy there is one exclusive module is on food processing. So, even if a question on food processing is asked, you have to mention about this Pradhana Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. So, the impact, the scheme and how it has been implemented will be helpful for you for your mains also. Now, it's a simple question, a model question, that Sampada scheme is implemented by the Ministry of, we know that it is implemented by not agriculture, by the Ministry of Food Processing Industry.